time check guys, it's 2:25 in the morning. Ayan o. Ay! Ako'y nakapag supas. Ayan, dahil hindi kami nakatulog, ubo ng ubo, kaya supas na lang. At hopefully, ayan, gagaling yung ubo natin guys. So ayan guys, early morning. I will try to set this up na before I take the trash out. Okay, see. Yan ako. See if I can do this.
Okay, I'm the frog and you the duo.
I have a video in here. What did I say? Grab something. Oh, right here. Ayun.
The change. Look, that's the number here. I'll make a bed.
Ayun. Okay. So I opened it. And guys. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take the trash off.
Should I help you?
So this is the setup right here now guys. I opened the trap and put the food at the very far. So he needs to come to get it. And when he step on that thing, it will close. So right now it's 6 in the morning, 6:45, and we'll see. Oh wow! Tacoma, Washington State. What part of Tacoma is this?
Downtown Tacoma, you guys. Washington State History Museum now. And there's the Tacoma Dome against the sun.
Yeah, nandito na tayo guys sa Tacoma Infinity at 5. So they have trucks. Here's my Jeep. I like that Jeep, honey. He just said, ugh. What's that mean? Ugh. Ayan. Look at all these cars. SUVs. Ayan. Papasok na kami sa service. Malitan ni Etalo yung kanyang navigator. I know, nagpapakitang kilas. Kung saan papalitan, umanta. Ayan. Please pull forward. Ayan. Yung mga automatic na garage na yan, guys, kasama yan sa bayad service. Kaya mahal ang bayad dito tayo. Pabayaran mo pati yung automatic garage sila. Aha, Stephanie, you in this snap. Ayan, dito kami. Go get snacks. This is something new. What is this for? It's the fridge. Okay. Bago naman ito. Ano kaya yan? Ayan guys, so nag-CR na kami ni Stephanie and then kumuha kaming snacks. Dinamihan na namin. Sakit namin si Julian at oras. Eh, merong pistachio. Damihan na free naman na guys. Wala nga yan sa bayad, sa anong mahalang bayad eh. Ayan, 2 pistachio kinuha ko. 2 Cheetos at 1 Doritos. 1 Doritos and then Stephanie got apple juice and I got Daddy orange juice. Orange pineapple. Oh, orange pineapple. Ayan, free snacks. Oh, diba? Say hi. Ayan. So, si Manong kukuha na siya ng loaner car namin. Dahil iiwan natin si Ethel for a few days while they are working on her. And then they go give us a loaner car to use while they are working. Ano ba? Paulit-ulit ka naman eh. Ayan, si Kalbo. Yun nagbabayad. O diba? Bayad muna. Ayan na, mukhang ang liit.
That's our car.
Yeah, that's our loaner car. Ang liit! That's QX60. QX60. Ayan. Tapos na akong mag-transfer ng mga stuff, but kailangan daw niya yung flag niya doon. Ayan guys, flag niya. Flag niya. Ayan. So this is QX, what, 50? So this is QX50 guys. So ayan lang yung likod niya. Ayan, pwede pa yan tanggalin at more seats, but okay na yan. Ayan yung stuff namin. And then ayan. O diba? QX60. And ayan na. Bagong-bago pa sa loob. Stephanie, sit na.
Okay.
Come on. She wants to sit on the side, by the side, Daddy. She wants a window.
We'll put this in the car.
Okay. Touch button. Ooh. Right here. Start button. Auto. Ayan. So QX50. Oh, touch screen. Okay, you need to adjust climate and all that first before we go. Ang liit. What? Ayan guys, dito tayo. Span away. AMP. Dahil cash yung gagamitin natin magpagas. Pupunta tayo sa loob. Ayan si Steve. Sabi ko sa kanya siya mag-practice naman na. Do it! Come on! No! Hey, do it! Gotta stand up! Gotta practice! Simula nung bypass na hindi pa siya nagpapagas. So this is his first time again in his second life pumping gas. Ayan. Pumping gas. First time. Now stand right there and wait. Ito get you back. Get you back in life.
I'm already in line. Okay, put it off.
No, I'm going in the car. Ayan, we are almost home na. And we will find out if our dog got in the cage. Ayan, I set the trap up this morning before we left, and see if lost dog. There's a pink sign, white dog. Ayan, I just saw it. That's new. It's not even there yesterday. Ayan guys. Tapos may nag-post dito sa post, lost dog daw.
How far?
Moose dog, LG, white donut field, recovery effort in progress. How you call
Well,
that?
I know how to open it.
So we just saw a sign up. It's not even there this morning, right? It's just like maybe when we were gone
Yeah.
about a dog, and we called the number, but Humane Society cage already at the back porch. But we'll see if she's there inside.
Yeah.
We'll see. Okay, you guys ready? Dito tayo, ikot tayo. Sa front, to the back, to the back. Do you think she's there, Stephanie? Huh?
Why not go through the house?
Oh, I was just go see the cage. I'm not thinking.